Due to the advent of tubeless ready tires, lots of modern tires are very tight and difficult to install. So, introducing the CHEPARK tire mounting lubricant, which makes installing tires, especially tight tires, much easier. The product has a sponge applicator at the top of the package, which makes it easy to apply the liquid. We just apply this to the bead of the tire. You can compress the sponge for the liquid to come out, and then we can just rub it on the bead around the circumference of the tire. This makes sliding the bead over the rim much easier. The tire over the rim, saving our thumbs in the process. And there we have an easily installed tire.